We're about to make Sasha's Kassler Hawaii. Yes. So the plan is I'm going to chop my vegetables to start with. Salt, we need curry powder, we need black pepper, we need pineapple, we need meat, which is this. We're having, is this smoked ham?
It's smoked pork.
Smoked pork.
Pork loin.
Yeah, and then we've got our cooking cream, we've got chili in a sauce, peppers, we're going to be serving it with rice, and we've got our leek. So yeah, so when the butter stops sizzling is when you fry on a medium heat.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whack everything in. And when it starts to get soft, we're going to add curry powder, black pepper, and salt. So
we just keep stirring. So we've been frying the leek and the peppers for like 2 minutes. Smells really veggie. 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So we decided to use the already grounded one.
Because it's easier to measure. There.
A tiny bit of salt.
Oh, you just need to stir this in and then it's done. Alright, my dear wife, what are you about to do?
We fried the spices in the vegetable. So we're going to put it in the ramekin.
Yeah.
So this goes first. So now it's just time to just assemble the rest.
Right guys, there is the pineapple. There is the meat. That's gonna go into this ramekin. So, 1 slice of meat in there. 1 slice of pineapple, half on top. Next meat, half on top again, and then continue. So the next step is we're gonna mix cream and chili sauce.
Okay.
Pour it over.
Okay.
And then it goes in the oven.
Okay. 1, 2, how many?
And a half.
And a half of cream. 1 deciliter of this.
Yes. By the way, people, my wife just smelled the spatula. She's got a fetish for spatulas.
No, I've got phobia.
When she goes to bed at night, she brings the spatula to sniff at.
You're not saying that, are you? It becomes like Bloody Mary.
Well,
is this not how you could drink your Bloody Marys?
No.
Okay.
It looks more like Mary Rose sauce.
Sorry, that one, yeah. So now what do we do?
Pour it over.
Okay.
On top of the meat to start with, and then any leftover you can just pour any way you want.
So what do we do next?
Whack it in the oven, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Here's the result. To the left, that's rice. Stuff to the right, that's Kassler with pineapples, peppers, leek, in a creamy sauce with chili and double cream.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna stuff our faces because I'm starving.
Easy peasy.
And my wife wants to smell the spatula. So on a plate, it would look something like this.
Anyway guys, so this is my plate of deliciousness. So it's called Ojibra. Was it Ojibra?
Kassler Hawaii.
Okay, yeah, Kassler Hawaii. Sasha's Kassler Hawaii.
Yeah.
So anyway, bon appetit. Score. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.